In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can export an image in Krita. So I have an image here that I would like to export. I would like to, for example, just put some drawings on it first, just to make sure that this is the exported image. So let's just put anything here, just a drawing. Now to export it, you go here to File and go all the way down and click on Export. Then you want to save it. I'll choose desktop here. Then you want to name, this is exported. You put whatever name you want. Then make sure to choose PNG or JPEG, and I'm gonna choose PNG. Then click on save and OK. After that, you should find your image here. As you can see, this is the exported image and this is the original one. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.